Hello everyone. As it is festive time, Christmas is around the corner, so we have decided to make Swiss roll today in our cookery club. So are you all excited? For that we need 3 slices of bread, some chocolate sauce, jam, desiccated coconut, some chopped nuts and little milk. Keep your workstation clean. Gather all the things, keep them together. Everything should be ready so that you finish it in one go. Now, take a chopping board and keep your slices on the board, and with a sharp knife just take out the brown edges of the slices. Be very careful while using the knife. Very gently you'll cut down the brown sides. Now we have taken 3 slices over here. You can keep these cuts on the side. Now take a rolling pin and roll the bread very gently. You have to roll all the 3 slices thin, but don't put too much of force, otherwise they will break. Once you have done that, place them on the board, one ahead the other. Now take milk and pour a little milk on the slices. We just have to damp them a little. If you don't have a brush, you can use a spoon. You have to put very little amount. We are doing this so that they do not break. And wherever the joint is there, press it again with the rolling pin. You have to be very gentle while doing all this. Now take your jam and see if it has lumps, then just mix it well so that it's easy for you to spread. On the first slice, you can spread the jam. You can take jam of your choice, whichever flavor you like. I have taken mixed fruit over here. And on the very first slice, I'll put a good amount of jam. Spread it on the whole slice of bread. Okay. Now on the second slice, either you put Nutella or you put chocolate sauce, whatever you have. Spread it. On the third slice, I am using some chopped nuts. If you don't have chopped nuts, you can put some cream or you can put some butter. Otherwise, you can repeat with the jam. Now I have taken the desiccated coconut, which I will sprinkle on the first slice where I had put jam. Now from the third slice, we'll start rolling very gently. Very softly, keep rolling, holding it together. Make sure that it does not break. Now, press it little from all the sides so that it grips well. Take a tissue paper or a foil and wrap it for some time so that it sets well. Till then, you can prepare other rolls. Now take a knife and about 2 inches in width you cut them. Cut into 3 slices. Do the same with the other roll also. See how the layers have come. We have got 3 beautiful layers. Now I am pouring some chocolate sauce over it. Now we'll do the plating. You can sprinkle some coconut over it, garnish with gems, and pour chocolate sauce on all your slices. See how beautiful it looks, as beautiful, same way it tastes. So your Swiss roll is ready for the Christmas feast. I hope you enjoyed the activity. Do give me your feedback.